In this video, I'll show you how to install your signature in Gmail. You can install it automatically using our extension or set it up manually. For manual installation, make sure to check that you've selected Main Signature in the preview first, and then click Copy to Clipboard. Now switch over to Gmail, click the gear icon in the top right corner, select See All Setting, and scroll down to the Signature section. Click Create New, name it Main Signature, click Create, and paste your copied signature right into the text box. Next, head back to My Signature, switch the Preview tab to Reply or Forward, and click Copy to Clipboard directly from the instruction steps. Back in Gmail settings, click Create New, name it Reply Signature, hit Create, and paste it into the field. Now, under Signature Defaults, select Main Signature for new emails and Reply Signature for replies and forwards. Scroll down and click Save Changes, and you're all set. Click eCompose to test it out. Your main signature loads automatically, and you can switch options anytime.